In 2020, the movie Godzilla, King of the Monsters came out, and I could not wait to see it. This action-packed film saw Godzilla face off against one of his oldest rivals, King Ghidorah, and lose at first. However, with the assistance of Mothra, Dr. Serizawa, and the United States military, Godzilla achieved a new form and defeated King Ghidorah, bringing peace back to the planet. Now, some of you might be thinking, one, spoilers, Dennis, we haven't seen this movie yet. But others might be thinking, why does this matter? One of the central topics this movie showed us was the importance of teamwork. The definition of teamwork is the combined actions of a group, especially when effective and efficient. We have all faced challenges in our lives where we could not defeat them alone. Rather, we needed to depend on the support of others to accomplish these tasks. Henry Ford, the founder of the Ford Motor Company and pioneer of the assembly line, said this about teamwork. Coming together is the beginning. Staying together is progress, and working together is success. Today we will talk about teamwork, specifically when to ask for help, the benefits of teamwork, and finally the different types of teamwork. First, let us talk about the benefits of teamwork and when we have all benefited from it.